Right, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video of the Canon drop-in filter mount adapter EOS R with the drop-in variable ND filter. I've never done an unboxing video, so why not give one a go? Might be interesting to some people, probably not many. So I bought this on Amazon for £399 UK. That's a bit expensive if you ask me, but it's the same price everywhere, and hopefully it's going to be worth it. I haven't opened it yet, so let's get in there and see what's inside. Little instruction thingy. So there's an awful lot of bubble wrap. And then what have we got in here? More plastic to go in the ocean. And then we've got this little bag. You seem to get a little bag with every sort of camera equipment that you buy. Little tiny bag to hold things with. And this is quite a nice bag. Feels quite nice. And this is the adapter in here, I assume. More plastic for the ocean. And there it is. Obviously this is the EF end, and this is the RF end. And then you've got the dial on the side there. So you get the EF mount end. And the RF mount end. The RF mount end is not as good as the EF mount end, in that you've got that stupid little notch there that you have to line up with everything to get it back on. This end, of course, there's one of 3 positions you can put it on. But yeah, that looks alright to me. Wheel's it's very delicate feeling that. Very soft. Or very smooth maybe. So yeah, these are the controls down the side. You've got plus and minus, obviously. There's almost no resistance on that wheel whatsoever. It's very kind of free spinning. And then I assume this little button down here, you press that in and the filter can come out. Try to avoid touching it with my fingers. You can see how that's stopped right down, and then open it up like that. It's quite nice seeing that little mechanical wheel turn it, little cog. And then slots back in, clicks into place. Right, let's see what it's like on the camera. Let's give it a test. I've just noticed that on the wheel, I'm going to get it in focus, yeah, it has max, mid and min. So give you some sort of rough indication of where you are, I guess, if the camera's off or you're looking at it from the side. One of the advantages of having a filter that goes behind the lens is the elimination of multiple ND filters for each lens. or dealing with numerous clumsy step-up rings for each filter thread size. It's a one-size-fits-all solution, and when you compare the cost of a top-quality Vari ND to the cost of the ESR filter, the price difference isn't so dramatic. Hopefully this will be an investment that pays off. Thanks for watching.